Types of control structures. Sequential statements. In sequential construct, the statements in the program are executed in a sequential manner, where one statement is followed by the other, with no possibility of branching off to other action. To calculate the area and perimeter of a square, first enter the side of the square, then calculate its area and perimeter, and print the result. Conditional statements. In programming languages, conditional statements cause the program control to transfer to a specific location depending on the outcome of the conditional expression. Every decision involves a choice between the two alternatives, yes and no result. If a conditional statement is true, then one set of statements are executed. Otherwise, the other set of statements are executed. Iterative statements. These statements enable the execution of a set of statements to repeat till the condition is true. As soon as the condition becomes false, the control comes out of the loop and the repetition stops. Conditional statements. Before we start writing programs based on conditions, it is important to understand how conditional programming works. In conditional programming, the most important element is the condition on which the decision is based. The conditional statements check the condition and execute the statements accordingly. The conditional statements can be represented in many forms. If statement. The if statement is used when we have to evaluate only one condition. It performs a course of action if the condition evaluates to be true. Otherwise, it skips the statements if the condition evaluates to be false. For example, your parents allow you to go out to play only if you complete your homework. Syntax. If, condition, statement 1, statement 2. Remember that after the if condition, there is a colon and the condition body starts with an indentation of tab space. It is mandatory in Python to indent the statements in the condition body, else it will display an error. Let us understand this through a Python program. So, in the above example, if you enter a number less than 100, it shows you the output, the number is less than 100. But what will happen if you enter a number greater than 100? No output will be displayed because you have not given statement or instruction to be followed if the given condition is false. This is demonstrated in the following example. Here, nothing is displayed when you enter a number greater than 100.